How to check Google account password. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To check the Google account password, firstly navigate to your phone settings. In the phone setting, you can scroll down until you see the option of Google. Then tap on the given option. From here, you need to check out the option of All Services. While you are in the All Services, scroll down until you see the option of Autofill and Password. Select on the option of Autofill with Google. Here you will see the Google Password Manager, tap on it. From here, scroll until you see google.com. That would be your Google account. Tap on it, then enter your PIN or your biometric. After which you can easily access both the Gmail address as well as your password. You can just tap on the eye icon to preview the password, or you can copy it and paste it when it is required to. Now this is only valid if you have saved a Google account password using the Google Password Manager. If you have not saved a password, the next thing that you are supposed to do is to actually tap on Forgot Password and you can update your new password. That is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.